Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to explain the different types of products that OLSP has so that my team understands how they can leverage these products. So first, I'll just go to the dashboard section and I'm going to click OLSP products. Okay. Now when I click OLSP products, these are the different products that they have. So first I'm going to click this button. Okay. So if I click this product, this is the $7 product. The one, if you have already upgraded to the $7 mega link option, then you already have access to this product. So this costs $7 and gives you the opportunity to start promoting OLSP as an affiliate via the Mega Link. So this is the Mega Link product. Then the next product that they have is the vertical video. Okay, so I'll open this product here. And this product teaches, so, so this product teaches a person how, you know, they can pretty much use the vertical videos of Instagram um, and generate traffic with it. This product costs like $99 per month. Okay. Then let's go to the next product. Now, what is included? Now, before I go to the next product, let me explain you what's included in the vertical video. So in the vertical video, what you get is you get 50% commissions from three different funnels. You get commissions from affiliate webinars, weekly group coaching, all in one Mega Builders tool suite. I'm going to show you what the Mega Builders tool suite is shortly. You get the page builder for 20, which the value of that is $27 per month. You get the CRM. I'll show you what the CRM is shortly. You get the autoresponder, the email autoresponder, and you get the space templates. You get the Mega Messenger for $47 per month. I'll show you what the Mega Messenger is shortly. So this product, if you buy this vertical video, this costs like $99. Okay? Then if I go to the team builder and if I click view product, so the team builder product, let me show you what this includes. So the team builder product includes $2,500 high ticket commission. So you are allowed to promote high ticket products of OLSP and up to $2,500 in high ticket commissions. You get 50% commission from three different funders. That means if I go here and click this promote button, right? These are the different three funnels. Mega, so you get 50% commission on Mega Builder, Team Builder, and VIP business buildings. And you get commissions from affiliate webinars, weekly group coaching, community access, all in one Mega Builder tool suite. I'm going to talk about this, what these things are. Or the Mega Builder tool suite and the page builder. I'm going to show this to you what this is. And basically, in the team builders, you also get two-tier commission. So you will get paid on two tiers if you become the team builder. Plus, you also get the traffic rotator monthly plan only. Now, what is this traffic rotator? In the traffic rotator, you get 100 clicks every month from the traffic rotator sent to your affiliate link, your mega affiliate link. Okay. We'll talk about this also in detail. This usually costs 40. The value for this is usually $197 per month. And if you buy the traffic manually, like let's say if you go here, okay, and if you click this buy traffic, so so if you buy the traffic manually from here, so 100 clicks, the 100 are going to cost you somewhere around $90 to $100 a month. So on this, so if you see, click here to order traffic. So if I click this button, you can see these are the traffic packages. So you get 100 clicks, which will cost you $90. Okay. So this, you can buy traffic, and this is like premium traffic sold by Wayne himself, but the vendor is Wayne. So this is all premium traffic. But if you happen to become, let's say, a team builder, you are going to get $100 worth of traffic every month. It will be put in the rotator and you will get the traffic every month. Then we have the TD pages, get access to an additional page builder with preloaded pages, $47 per month. So if someone chooses to upgrade for the lifetime offer for this is $2,000. It's a one-time payment, and you will get all of this lifetime. You don't have to pay anything to upgrade using the $2,000. Then comes the or you can choose to pay $197 per month if you cannot upgrade with the lifetime offer. Now you will also get a 200% commission on two-tier commission bump on the $7 mega link and the $7 magic link. That means if anyone upgrades for $7 um, under you, you would get $40, double the commission. Okay, on the mega link and the magic link. Okay. Um, Now, coming to the mega builders thing, the mega builder price for the mega builder is 997 one time or 99 per month, $99 per month. This includes all of these things, right? But it does not include these extra things. Okay. So now let's move to the next product. So we've just talked about the team builders. Let's go to the mega messenger. Okay. So what is Mega Messenger? Now, Mega Messenger is a tool that helps you automate different tasks. Like it grows your Facebook presence for you, generates leads from Facebook groups for you, sends friend requests for you, follows up with your leads for you, sends opening messages through your DMs, responds to DMs in seconds, replies to your Facebook posts for you. So basically, it auto sends your friend requests, it auto responds to leads in seconds, auto sends opening messages, auto broadcast messages, auto replies on your post, auto cleans responsive, unresponsively, auto follows with your leads, auto delivers to lead management, auto sends scan response, and more. So usually with this type of tool, uh, it usually costs like up to $97 per month in the market, or but this tool it will cost you $27 per month if you choose to buy the mega messenger. Okay. Uh, Now again, just like I told you, if someone chooses to upgrade as a team builder, okay, and pays 197 a month or 197 lifetime, he gets mega messenger in it. Okay. This is the mega messenger. So he's getting this thing if he becomes a team builder. Plus, he will be getting a 200% commissions as well. Plus, he will be getting 50% commissions from free funnels. What does this mean? This means that if someone under him upgrades at the 1997 package, he's going to get $1,000 commission. Or if someone upgrades at the per month package, he's going to get a 50% commission of 197 per month. Okay. That would be approximately $100 a month every month. So basically, if you choose to upgrade on this, you will get $1,000 commission if someone under you upgrades, because you will get 50% commission for three funds. Okay. Now, that being said, we have the next product we have is the OLSP VIP. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is, just to keep this video short, I'm going to talk about the OLSP VIP, Mega Builders, OLSP Elite, TD Pages, and all of these other um, ones in the next video. Just uh, uh, so one thing that I would like to tell you is that so the traffic rotator. Okay. So let's go to the traffic rotator. Now, this traffic rotator You can buy the traffic rotator independently for $47 per month. Okay? And you will be able to get traffic every month through your link. So you don't have to do anything. You get effortless traffic leads and commission through your magic link, 100% guaranteed. The traffic rotator requires zero skill, effort, or thought on your part. Just leave it up to the pros and make guaranteed commission. So you will get continued clicks and leads sent to your magic link, and you don't have to do anything. Okay? So this is pretty much amazing. Okay. So you can buy the traffic rotator independently for $47 per month, and you would get consistent leads and the email marketing system itself. Just like I told you in the uh, in here, the team builders. With the team builders, if someone upgrades at the $2,000 payment, he gets this for lifetime. The traffic rotator, something that he gets for lifetime. Okay. Now, I'm going to talk about other products in a different video. Now, right now, what's happening is like usually this a lot of people love the Mega Messenger. So right now, what's happening is there is an offer that's going on right now. So if I just refresh this, so you might be getting a pop-up like this. So if you're getting a pop-up like this, like today is May 25, this is the offer that's from 19th May. So if you're getting a pop-up like this, then you are still, you can leverage this offer. Now, what is this offer? So if I click here, so this offer is the best offer that is going on right now. So if I just quickly scroll down, okay. So this offer, uh, like normally team builder is 1997 upfront or 197 per month, okay. But for the first time ever, he has reduced the cost of this to 997 per year or 97 per month, okay. Now he's giving a massive discount and 100% commissions on team builder sales, and this is for a limited time only. So basically, if we talk about this offer, this is the team builders offer, okay. This offer, basically, the people are getting, uh, you are actually getting this offer for just 97 dollars per month or 997 per year. You're getting the team builder offer for such a low price. So this will be locked for you for life. If you upgrade at 97 per month, you will get all of these things. So let's say if I click this button, so you're getting everything. You're going to get the toffee method. You're going to get the vertical video domination that I just mentioned. You're going to get the mega builder, $99 per month value. Uh, uh, so this will be included in this. You will get the mega messenger, which I just showed you. The value for that is $47 per month. You will get commission generator access, worth $99 per month, exclusive permission to promote our webinars. So you will be able to promote their webinars and events to make extra commissions. Hard coding for life plus commission bumps. High ticket sales done for you. Our trained team, sales team sells for you. You get the commission. 200% commission on the mega link. Okay? Mega link. So that means you will earn 200% commissions on your sales on the mega link. Okay? On both the tiers, tier 1 and tier 2. You will be able to promote all our products. So you will get the opportunity to promote all the products. You don't have to buy other products. Okay. If you are, you just have to choose any one of these, right? So if you choose this one, $97 per month, you just have to pay $97 per month and you get all of this, and you can obviously cancel anytime. Or you can choose the lifetime launch. They have this team builders lifetime launch for 997. So it's a one-time payment. You don't have to pay anything, and you will be getting all of these things. Or they have this $400 prepay method, where you simply pay free payments, and you get this for lifetime. So this is something very powerful that is going on. And again, you will be able to make high ticket commissions without paying anything. Okay. Now, one thing that I want to tell you is, uh, if we talk about this mega builder thing, this is a powerful thing. So there, let me just jump on to the mega builder here. Okay. Products, and if I go to the mega builders, okay, let's check this one. Okay, sorry, the mega builders software. This is the mega builders software. So introducing the mega builder software, the ultimate commission generation platform that saves affiliates uh, this amount of money. So the CRM is included in this, the funnel builder is included in this, the website builder is included in this, the email autoresponder is included in this, two-way SMS is included in this, appointment calendar is included in this, automation is included in this, call tracking is included in this, reputation management system included in this, tracking analytics is included in this. So this mega builder, this is the mega builder suite, and this costs like $97 per month if you buy it independently. Now, if you choose to take, uh, just like I told you, this costs like $97 per month, right? Now, if you decide to take this offer, okay, here, the special offer that is running on right now, where did it go? So this is the special offer. So you're also getting the mega builder, that is funnels, emails, automation, and domain, all 100% done for you, okay? So you're going to get the mega builder software as well, okay? Um, so this is a powerful thing. This offer is an amazing offer, and I just wanted to make this video to let you know about these offers, okay? So if you have any questions before buying, please reach out to me and ask me questions, and I will definitely give you the answers. Thank you.